Good afternoon. Welcome back to Crossroads Chronicles, and this afternoon I am making for you a Southern tomato sandwich. We're adding bacon, so a little bit of a twist to it, but this is basically everything you need to make the Southern tomato sandwich. You've got to have Duke's mayo. This is the only mayonnaise that you want to use when you're making your tomato sandwich. Duke's is the best. So you want to take this, as you can see I'm almost out, but you want to take it, you want to apply it to both sides of the bread. You want to be very generous with your mayo on your bread. So we've got sourdough bread, which is pretty thick. So you start out with that. We already have sliced up our tomatoes. So these are the High House tomatoes, and we really prefer these when we're making them. They're very succulent, grown right here in North Carolina. So you add that onto the sandwich, and then you want to cut up your bacon and add it to the very top. But before we do that, we're going to add some pepper, lots of pepper and salt, because that is what makes it really good. We're using sea salt, so you don't need to use very much of this. In fact, I pour it out in my hand and make sure I don't overdo it. You want to apply it directly to the tomato because it brings out all of the flavors of the tomato. That's it. You add it on here. And then with the same knife you cut the tomato with, it's fine to cut in half your sandwich. There you go. Thank you for joining us, and more to come.